Hello everybody and welcome to 𝗵𝘁𝗁. We have another tune-up report on the Ranger RCI-63FFD4. This is for Ezekiel in Colorado. Ezekiel will start with the power turned all the way down. We'll start with the mic gain turned all the way down. Plug this guy in and then we'll move up to that meter up there. Okay, Ezekiel, over here on this left-hand meter here, I've got 10 watts on the top scale. We're seeing about 8 watts. Remember, the power's turned all the way down. So if I take and I change the scale now to the 100 watt scale, to the 8, then we go up to 80. Okay. Now over on this meter, we're going to see peak power. And let's go ahead and turn the mic gain up all the way. All right, so on this meter again, turn off the talk back right here. All right, on this meter over here, I have a 500 watt slug. So that's looking at about 260, 265. And if I turn it all the way down, about 70. On this scope over here, we can see the modulation pattern all the way down and all the way up. And you can see there. Crossover. All right. This radio has an exceptionally slow limiter, so it's a little bit different characteristics. Let's watch over here now. So that's 300 watts right there, and that's 400. Audio, check. Audio. A little different on audio, and then we check it out on the scope over here. Audio, check. Audio, check. All right, so just a little different there. And it will show it to you both. Now let's put it on the air. Before we put it on the air, I was supposed to show you the spectrum analyzer, and I've already cleaned it up the signal, and I took a look at it before we got started here yesterday. And I did a little video. Here's what it looked like before we got started on this radio. So up here, we can check out on the scope. You see how fat the line was there? The bright line in the middle where there's zero power coming out. There's power coming out of this radio less time than there's no power. See this? Audio. So you average the power with the no power and your RMS is really low. You know, you're not really getting anything. So you can't have it overmod so terribly like that. It's not helping you any. All right? Not to mention it's bleeding all over the place. It's splattering the band. It sounds bad. So that's one thing I wanted to show you beforehand. And then the other one, down here, take a look at the spectrum. Again, we have lots of spurious emissions to take care of. All right, so I just want to show you that before I got started with this alignment, and then we'll do the tune-up report right afterwards, and you'll see how it turned out. Okay, so now, so I will key up, and now you see a whole bunch of that mess is all gone now. It's all cleaned up. And as far as the audio, the scope, the overmod you saw there, you already seen that cleaned up just previous to this. So I cleaned them both up. Okay, now we're ready to put it on here real quick. How about at 19? Can I get a radio check, please?
It's working, Travis.
I appreciate it, Jarvis. Thank you very much.